Long Tan, yeah, I was actually the dust-off aircraft for Long Tan, and I was refused permission to answer 6 Battalion's call for a helicopter because the group captain reckoned as dust-off I wasn't allowed to carry ammunition into the fight. But the 2 other helicopters who were there, who had brought the actual concert party up, captained by Frank Riley, and I know him as well as anything, doesn't matter. They took it in. It was raining, low cloud, did a fantastic job. And then when we finally given permission to go and get the troops, the rain had stopped, but it was the darkest night ever. And all they had in the way of lights where they were was a pencil torch. So, well, they could have had the lights of the APC that was there, but they weren't turning that on because there were too many enemy around. So we landed to the light of a pencil torch. That's quite difficult, I can tell you. In fact, it's impossible. So I turned my nav lights on just towards the finish, and that gave me enough light to see the ground. The CO, Ray Scott, and Lady Hindley also pulled casualties out on the same day, same night I should say, and none of us enjoyed it.